Hello and welcome to your Bright MLS Facebook Live series. My name is Mariah Jacobs. I am your Bright MLS Customer Success Coach for today. So today I'm going to go over how to keep a bird's eye view on the markets that you serve using a tool called Market Watch. Market Watch is located within your workspace as soon as you sign into Bright MLS. And as you see here, the widget here on my left-hand side states Market Watch. Your Market Watch may not be listed here. It may be listed here, down here, or over here. Now, of course, if you'd like to move your widgets around, you just simply move them like so by hovering over these three dots, and as you see the four arrows. Now, let's talk about how to customize your Market Watch and how you can set those areas, right? So to customize your Market Watch, within the right-hand corner, there's a Manage option. When you select Manage, here you see your standard search criteria where you could set up your structure type, your price range, your beds and baths, maybe even cater to your office or brokerage only. But what we really want to focus on is the areas that we mainly do our business. So again, Market Watch allows you to keep a bird's eye view as to what's going on in the areas that you do your business. Okay, so if you do your business maybe within a particular postal city or zip code, add those areas. As you see here on my screen, I have 3 counties selected, which I will actually add in, I'll say about 2 more, just so that I can get a bird's eye view as to what's going on. So I'm going to add in Fairfax County, Virginia. All right, so we have Fairfax City, excuse me. All right, and then we're going to add in Loudoun. All right, so we're going to add in Loudoun County, Virginia. Now, keep in mind, maybe if you want to see homes and listings within maybe a certain mile radius of your brokerage, you can also do that as well by setting the range maybe 10 miles within your brokerage address, your home, wherever it may be, you can set that radius, okay? But what I have here is my county level. So now that I've set up my counties, I'm going to go ahead and click the Save option. All right, so this did take me to my Bright MLS timeline, but this is not what we're going to explore today. I'm going to click the Bright logo, and we're going to get back to our Market Watch. Oh, looks like I need to sign back in, which is absolutely fine. All right, so we have our Market Watch here. Now, how can you filter your Market Watch to see exactly what's going on within the areas that you serve? We've already set our counties, right? You can filter your Market Watch on all property types. So right now mine is selected to residential lease. But as you see here, you can see residential lease, multifamily, land, farm, commercial lease, and so on. Market Watch can be ran for as far as the last 7 days. Okay, so if we select 7 days for residential lease, as you see here, we have 97 coming soon residential lease listings within those areas that I have set up. If you want to simply pull those listings up for those particular statuses, you could just simply click on the status. And we now see all the coming soon listings within those areas, okay? Now, let's click the Bright logo here. If you want to get a gauge as to what's going on within the market, okay? Like if you see, okay, let's see what's canceled in my area, okay? Within the last 24 hours, we can see what's canceled. It looks like there's only one rental that was canceled. Let's take a look at it. All right, we see this canceled listing. Okay, maybe it's something that you want to keep an eye on for a client. You say, you know, this is actually something, a potential for my client. You can save this listing. Okay, you can simply click the empty space right here and add it to a cart. Okay, what is a cart? A cart allows you to store results for later. Okay, once you select that space there, you'll select cart, click new cart. All right, and you can name it. We're just going to name it Tuesday. All right, and you can also connect the cart to a client. Okay, so we're just going to click save. Now we've stored that canceled listing for later. Okay, we're going to click the Bright logo here. If you want to see the price decreases, okay, maybe those are potential opportunities for your client. Within the last 24 hours, as you see here, price decrease 25. You click it and you get all the price decreases in those areas that you mainly serve. So again, Market Watch is a great tool to keep a bird's eye view as to what's going on so that maybe you can set the right price for a listing. Maybe you can use it just to see exactly what's going on in the market so that you can confidently tell your buyer client what's going on within the market. Okay, you can personalize this again, clicking this Bright logo by selecting this Manage option, and you can either set it on a county level, subdivision, or even zip code. I hope you found these tools resourceful for you, and I look forward to presenting to you all soon. Again, I am your Bright MLS Customer Success Coach, and I want to let you all know if you'd like to meet with me one-on-one, you can meet with me by either giving me an email, shooting me an email, or giving me a call there. Thanks for joining your Facebook Live series, and I'll talk to you soon.